Hey guys! Today is Monday the 12th. I am working on editing this, my second vlog, which you may have already seen. Hopefully I'll leave it linked down below. So I just got home from work. I'm still in my uniform, but I made myself a very small lunch. This is just literally a mug with some linguine noodles, and I put some butter and then some Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan on top, and this is what I'm eating. I'm trying to eat it slow because I don't want to have to feel like I'm going to want something more. And then I'm drinking my Body Armor Super Drink in Fruit Punch. I like these, I just don't like how much sugar there is, so that's the only thing I'm not completely in love with about these, but they're good. Hey guys, so today is Tuesday, February 13th. Today I only had 3 classes. My last class of the day was canceled, so I'm leaving early. Exciting! I did upload my vlog today. I ended up being able to do that. I had a test today for one of my classes, so I got out like an hour early. So I was able to upload and got that video up. So that's live. I'll leave it linked down below and in the cards. Yesterday I went with Noah. I met up with Noah. We went to the gym and I did like full cardio. I only did a little bit of strength because yesterday I wasn't in the most like dedicated. Like, I wanted to go to the gym, don't get me wrong, but by the time that I actually got there, I wasn't so motivated to be there. But I kind of pushed myself, ended up doing like 40 minutes or so of cardio. I did 10 minutes on the elliptical, and I then did 10 minutes on like one of those bikes, and then I did about 8 minutes of walking on the treadmill, and then I did another 3 on the bike, and he did a lot of strength. He likes strength training instead. I am more of a cardio person, but cardio makes me very, very tired, so that's the reason like I felt like dead on my feet last night because I did so much cardio, but I'm really happy that I did it. Good morning, you guys. It is Valentine's Day. Since today is Valentine's Day, I decided to get up early and make Noah kind of like a special breakfast. So I made him red heart pancakes. It's going to be pretty much like kind of like a relaxing day for me, but because I'm going to be home. But it's going to be busy because I want to get a ton of stuff done. So I need to go to the store really quick because we have a no bread here. I'm going to surprise my mom at work because it's Valentine's Day and I got to do something for my mom too. So, but first I'm going to go get my homework stuff and then edit. I got too much to do and I don't have time. So, okay, I'm going to talk to you guys later. So, I cannot believe I'm even going to do this, talk to you about it, show you, but I'm going to because something that I did last year was Noah and I's first Valentine's Day together, and about a week before I bought this really gorgeous dress, and actually it's the one that I'm wearing currently, and it was a little snug then, but I wanted to see how snug it is now. I was able to get away with how snug it was because I was pretty close to it fitting, but I just put it on because I was like, maybe I'll wear it tonight, because the last time I wore it was legitimately for last Valentine's Day. So I put it on and it does not fit, but I want to show you because I want progress. We're gonna do this This is a big step in a weird direction for me, being so open, but that's the point of these videos, is I'm supposed to be open. So I'm going to show you what I look like without sucking in this dress. I hopefully will be able to say that I fit into the dress a little bit better. I just want to show you the comparison of I want to show you. And hopefully I can do a comparison in 6 months. Okay, so this is me kind of sucking in. This is like the normal, what I suck in on a day-to-day. You can see, obviously, like, it's very tight. It's very, very formal. I love the sleeves on it, and I love the dress. I think it's beautiful, but my stomach area is the area that I'm most insecure about, so I definitely wouldn't wear this out because it is so snug, but I'm just going to kind of show you. Like, you can obviously see where the lines form. I'm hopefully going to be able to put this on in May and do this comparison, maybe feel a little bit better about myself. I got to keep in mind I'm probably going to build some muscle too, so it might fit a little weird. So I'm back in my bedroom. I have taken a shower. As you can see, my hair is drying naturally, which is great. I'm gonna try to straighten it later, probably. And I went to go visit my mom at work, and she's so sweet. I gave her flowers and her, she loves this one soda, so I got that for her. And then she gave me $40 because she said, well, I'll do this for you for Valentine's Day for you and Noah. So my mom's great. Shout out to her. She's amazing. So I am right now editing my video that I filmed yesterday, which is a winter makeup favorites and, well, beauty favorites, I should say. But I am editing that right now. That won't be going up until March sometime. Hey guys, so I legitimately just woke up about an hour ago. I came home because I was staying with Noah at his mom's, and I have a ton of stuff to do today. I was going to try to sleep in some more, and I just thought of everything that I need to get done. I have an assignment to do. I want to do some baking, some cleaning. I just have so much to do today that I can't just lay around. But luckily Friday morning I can get some stuff done too because I don't work until 3, so that's pretty good. And then this weekend I can get a lot done too. So I'm legitimately just making 2 fried eggs right now, and 2 pieces of toast, and that might seem like a lot, but I'm going to try to work through a little bit of a lunch today. I have an assignment that I need to do that's due tomorrow, and then I want to do some baking, so I'm trying to have a bigger breakfast and then like less throughout the day, and then maybe a little bit bigger of a meal, like kind of snack throughout the day too. I really, really, really need to be serious about my diet, so I'm trying to be better. How it's working, I don't know. So those are pretty much done. Hey guys, so I haven't talked to you in a while, but today I thought I would show you how I have been making my omelet. Today I'm going to make it a little different than I usually do. This is the first time I'm adding certain stuff to it, but I'm trying to make it more healthy and trying to make it like more protein. So let's just go ahead and show you. So first I have 2 large eggs, yolk and everything. Then I'm going to pour in some half and half. Just about that much. I like to make it really like thick. And now I have some diced tomatoes. I'm going to add those to my omelet. Add some veggies, and then I have some ham here. I'm going to put a little in it just to start off. Spray the pan with some canola oil. Let that kind of heat up a little. I'm going to put it around medium-low heat. So I'm going to pour the mixture in. I'm just going to have a top on it so it starts to cook the top of the omelet as well. So I thought in the meantime we could just talk because I haven't talked to you guys in quite a few days. So today is Wednesday, February 28th. Today I have quite a few things that I need to get done and do. I need to do dishes and laundry. I want to clean a little bit of the bedroom, at least pick it up, and change the sheets. Tonight is date night for Noah and I. There's been a lot going on, so I thought it would be fun for us to just go out and have some fun, spend some time together. Okay, so the eggs are cooking really, really nicely, and will you see what I mean? So I'm just ever so gently lifting up on the edges. So I decided to weigh myself today because I haven't weighed myself in a very long time, and I'm not happy because I have gained weight. I have gained about 4 pounds back. I am at 192 currently, so I need to work really, really hard on losing that weight and getting back to being better because tomorrow is March 1st and I'm creeping up on May. So yeah, it's gonna go by really, really quick, and I'm not ready for it to go by really, really quick. So I need to work really hard and get there. I'm trying to go to the gym. The hardest part is snacking and just like feeling a little bit stressed and bored, and I like to eat. We're cooked on the top enough that I'm going to start adding some stuff to it. I'm going to pull the edges apart again. I'm going to put some Colby Monterey Jack cheese, and then I do have some Velveeta slices that I'm going to put in the middle. Lift up on the edges, and it's gonna break. It's not a perfect science. It's really... So we're all done. That's my omelet, guys. So it is Friday, March 2nd. I am making some lunch right now, and I thought I would show you how I make what I'm making. I have been really into pasta within the last like few months, so I eat a lot of pasta, which is not always the best thing, but I really like it. It's really easy to make because you can make a lot of it and save some for later. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I put some of the penne in this container, and it's just gonna go right in the fridge. I chopped up some of the sun-dried tomatoes. We're gonna add that. I'm just gonna show you how much of the penne I have left, which is a very, very small amount. I'm just going to use some margarine. Take about a tablespoon or so. I turned the heat off for right now. I'm going to add some minced garlic, about probably like a teaspoon. I'm going to take some of the liquid, turn the heat back on low. I'm going to take some lemon juice. I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. This is just grated Parmesan. I'm going to take a good portion of the cap and add that. Add the sun-dried tomatoes. And voila. There we go. This is my lunch. Hey guys, so it is Friday, March 9th, I think today is. Yeah, March 9th. Today I am on my way to do some grocery shopping. It is 9 a.m. I've been up since about 6:45, which is crazy because I think I'm becoming a morning person. I feel like so much better about getting stuff done. Yesterday I was a little bit more productive. I went to the gym yesterday. I felt really, really good, you guys. I'm starting to feel better about my fitness and my confidence in it because I have been really slacking the last like month and a half, like the last month, and I hate that, and I don't want that to happen, but it happens, you know, I'm human. but I am really, really trying to be serious and get back into a better, healthy routine. I'm going grocery shopping, so I'm going to pick up some stuff that I can put in lunches and dinners that are going to be really good. I'll show you guys some of the stuff that I got because I thought I would share some new stuff that I've never had before, and also just some stuff that I do really like that I will buy over and over again. So we'll start here, work our way there. So these are Yoplait yogurts. I love these. I don't like the whips. Those are Noah's favorites, but these ones I really, really like. The original and the light. So I got strawberries cheesecake and berry vanilla, and then I'm going to try this banana cream pie one. And then I like to get these pita bread, whole wheat, good, very good for you. I love making pita chips, pita bread, like using them for sandwiches too. So there's that. Then I love getting this Mastriani bread, but this one is the Italian wheat bread. So let's see, I didn't look at the so yeah, that's pretty exciting. These are the Orchard Valley Harvest Dark Chocolate Almonds. I love these and am obsessed with them. They're individual packets. They're so easy to toss into my bag, whether it's my lunch bag or my school bag or even like just any bag. Then I got some sharp cheddar cheese. I was munching on that. That's why it's in a plastic little baggie now. And then I got 2 of the Dole strawberries. I got strawberries, peaches, and bananas. And then I got tropical fruit. So I gotta put those away. And then I got these, which I've never tried before, but they were in the clearance section. So this one is Back to Nature Banana Walnut Granola Clusters. It's got crunchy clusters of whole grain rolled oats with banana, walnuts, and cinnamon. So I want to try that in yogurt and maybe just like as like its own cereal. And then this is the Naked Granola Taste of California. And this it's made in the US, which is pretty cool. I got it for $3. And then this has dates, raisins, apricots, almond, and I'm excited to try this one too. So that's some new stuff. I also got these Fiber One chocolate chunk soft baked cookies, and I've never had these before, but I really do like Fiber One. So there's that. I also got these Fiber One little brownie bite packages. I love their brownie bites, but I've never had the like individual packages, so that'll be really nice to have. Something good for me, but chocolate is always nice. I got some avocados. These ones are huge, but some really nice avocados. I got these Tostitos roasted red pepper chips. They're multi-grain, so they're better for you. And then I got the Jif to go creamy peanut butter. So that's kind of just an overview of some of the stuff. And then I got some other stuff like grapes and peppers, red, green, and yellow, pears, peaches, cucumbers, some Fig Newtons. Noah wanted some Cliff Bars. So we just kind of got a huge array of stuff. And then I just had some rice, and I'm going to put that and divvy it up for my dinner tonight. I'm going to finish doing all of this, and then I am going to relax. Hey guys, so I really quickly just wanted to end this vlog. Question for you. Let me know down below what is an exercise that you guys really enjoy. Let me know down below in the comments and tweet me too. So yeah, okay. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this vlog. I will talk to you in my next video, and have a wonderful life. Mwah. Bye guys.